Welcome to Erin's Design with Wine. I'm Erin Murray, and today I can't wait to show you this beautiful bathroom remodel. Stay tuned because I want to show you a couple of tips and tricks, and I wanted to show you a lighting detail that I have never done until 2023. We are at the home of Rob and Jill Reineck. We have worked together on a few projects before, but this time we had the most fun with this bathroom. The befores were horrendous. I can't wait to show you the befores. And the after is amazing and so much more functional for this family. I am so excited to tell you this neat design trick that we just figured out. A month ago, Jeff, I said to you my new goal for the new year is to install some wet location rated lights inside shower niches. Jeff said, well, I've been wanting to do that too. And I'm like, oh, cool. I thought, well, we'll figure that out in a couple of months. And then I popped back over to the site. I saw that there were lights in there. I hit the floor. I could not believe it. I was ecstatic.
He called me and said I'd like to do that, and it had been in my mind for a while just to kind of give the showers a little more accent light in
ambiance.
There. Yeah. So we have the three niches here. And for the long one, we have three across the bottom, and then these tall ones, one in the top. Once all your wiring's in, you can just hook these straight up, and then you can change from 2,000 to 5,000. Once the tile's done, we'll stick them up in, and that'll be your niche accent lighting with some glass shelves going across, and you got light all the way down.
I'm excited. I mean, this is a really big deal for me. I know it's a big deal for you. So thank you for taking on the challenge and not shying away from it. Decided to talk about heating the floor because we find that most of our clients, by the time they're finished, they end up with beautiful bathrooms, but in the winter in Cincinnati, Ohio, things get to be a little bit cold. A little bit about what it takes to put down a heated radiant floor.
Yeah, so the system we use is the Schluter Ditra heat, and that allows us to lay down our membrane and then run our heat in locations where you would want it. That way it doesn't go under the vanity and get wasted heat. They also have a programmable thermostat that allows you to have the heat come on in the morning right before you wake up, and then it turns off automatically once you're gone for work and all that.
One of the reasons why we thought this was really important for the Reinecks, they have decided to vault their ceiling in this bathroom space. So when your ceiling becomes higher in a shower, more of your heat and your steam escape. In the winter, your shower becomes pretty cold. There is no better heat than radiant floor heating. So the contractor, the homeowners, and I had the most fun on this remodel. The contractor and Rob got together and they decided to vault this ceiling. And it was so beautiful and I really loved their decision. So then I changed the mirrors and made them extra tall. And then we added 3 sconces to really pull that height up. And then just yesterday I came with some beautiful finishing touches. I mean, look at that art. It's so gorgeous. When you have the opportunity to raise your height, then that really changes your design. The other thing that we did, this floor plan used to be completely different. It had a much smaller vanity. They lacked storage. There was no space for anything in this bathroom. And right back here was the toilet. So it wasn't really pretty and there wasn't any storage. They now have 9 drawers, 2 sets of doors, and then this big linen tower. And then a little something over there that I'll show you in a minute. Of course, the homeowners and I had a lot of floor plan decisions to make. We're standing where the giant jacuzzi tub used to be. And the homeowners decided to forgo the bathtub because they weren't using it. So that gave us more room to create this really giant shower experience. Then I said to my contractor, who I just love working with because he likes to challenge himself. I told him that my goal for 2023 was to light up some shower niches. He said that that was his goal too. He's probably just lying to me. I came over one day to check on the job and he'd already installed the lights. I asked the homeowner what it was like at night, and they actually just leave on the niche lights because it's just so beautiful. Okay, so let's talk about function a little bit. Ladies, we have to shave our legs. I did not want to do a built-in bench. I'm really not into those right now. I'm just gonna tell you, try not to do built-in benches all the time in your shower. We got this teak bench from Frontgate and the handheld shower is over there. So that way Jill can easily shave her legs with a little bit of safety as well. Other thing that we did was we extended that niche over. We have shower product here, and then we have leg shaving product over there. Another thing that you're going to notice in the before and afters is this window used to be really large. We did not want to cover up the window and make it opaque. We wanted to leave it translucent. They have a beautiful view. They wanted to have a sense of privacy. So we just changed the size and we relocated it. So that way you still have this gorgeous view. They can still see out, but no one can see in. In bathrooms, we are always looking for more storage, and Rob and Jill really wanted to maximize their storage. Who doesn't? As we reconfigured that floor plan, we changed the closet, we changed the bathroom, and it presented this opportunity for even more storage right here. We added a hamper for them, more drawers, 6 more drawers, and then all of this. You can use that for closet storage if you need to, or you can use it sort of like an extra linen chest for medicines and vitamins. One other tip, this is their landing zone. That way their vanity stays clutter-free. I put together a beautiful little tray here so that it welcomes them, but then that'll also do double duty for anything like wallet or money or phone, and they've got chargers back there. So it's gonna house a lot of things. So a little tip, whenever you need to combine a lot of things that would typically look a little bit cluttery, just throw them on a tray. All of a sudden it feels unified and tidy. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit weird, a little bit awkward, but I'm going to show you the Cadillac of toilets. This is my favorite toilet. I'm just going to tell you the truth. Every time I'm at Ferguson's showroom, I don't have one in my own house, so I spend about 7 minutes in that showroom bathroom. The homeowners put the TOTO toilet in their priority for the bathroom remodel. It's awesome. I'm just going to be really awkward and weird and read to you what it does. A rear, a front, a soft, a wide, a dryer, an oscillate, a pulsate, a wand, UV ray cleaner. You've got your pressure controls, you've got your position controls, and you have your user programmers. How exciting to talk about a toilet. I just love helping people. I love this shower so much, I think I'm gonna offer to house sit. One of the best parts of my job is when I get to help people solve problems. Before was not easy to get ready in the morning. It was not inspiring. It was not a great way to start their day. We changed a lot of things in the floor plan. We added a lot of nice little details, and we provided oodles more storage. This family is now happier at home, and cheers to being happier at home.